Huh?
You about done talking to yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, right on. Well, what's going on, you guys? We're back with another video. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail and probably title, I don't know what it's titled yet, but we got 3 different bikes here. We got my pit bike, we got the mini bike that we were restoring, as you see it, or as you saw in the picture, it was painted. We got another bike. First, we're gonna ignore my bike for now, and we'll talk about the mini bike here. We got it all painted up. A couple days ago, we started working on it a little bit, trying to get it up and running right. Did we ever end up doing that? I had to leave.
It does. It'll run. It does not start right now because I need to take and get the throttle, a stiffer spring, and then I have to take and get the actual throttle cable locked in position, and then I have to get a fuck is it? One of the brass barb splitters.
Oh,
So
okay, yeah, for your fuel line?
Yeah, if you look at how the clear tubing off the fuel, off the carburetor is, it
Yeah.
has that black line. That black line goes to the actual gas tank, but that's way too damn small.
Yeah. Okay. And if you guys couldn't tell, we ended up swapping out the carburetor and air filter. That's why it looks a little bit different. We are going to end up swapping out this air filter just for now because it needed back pressure just to even start. So that's why we have one on there. Gas tank, did we decide we're going to leave that one?
For now.
For now?
For now.
Okay. Sounds
We're
good.
going to take and work on getting a different one set up for it, but we got to find one, or I'll end up buying a brand new one. If I can, I'll try and find the original one because it will make it look a lot better.
Right. Okay. Well, let us know what you guys think about the color. I personally like it a lot better.
Straight red with metallic white silver on the fenders.
Hell yeah.
Stick with the chrome.
Looks nice. Right on. So, tell us a little about this fucker you're messing around with.
This one's a project. Not
Yeah.
really, but this is probably the best bike condition-wise that we've bought in a while. It is a 1971, 72, or 73 TC90, all original. Has the speedometer. The tach even shows the original mileage, 4620. There's barely anything really on this. I'm doing a carb clean right now. It's pretty fucking nasty. It is a 2-stroke. From the looks of it, it's got what, 1 speed, 2 speeds?
Well, we were trying to play with gear ratio, and we don't know what the gearing is like. Apparently, whatever that fucking thing is puts you in neutral. That was odd fucking twist, if I'd say so myself. Wasn't expecting that.
I can't say, like, we sat here for a good 5-10 minutes looking at each other funny, thinking it was just, clutch and then do a half a neutral. No.
Nope.
It is a complete different switch on its own.
Yeah, it was pretty fucked up. It does have keys to it, which is nice.
The headlights, turn signals at one point did work. All the wiring is here, but I think the battery is probably dosed.
Yeah, it probably is.
This thing sat in a shop for 5 years, and then it went outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
Isn't it just a fucking shame when you got such a nice bike like this and you just throw it outside?
Don't you love when people do that? Because then I come along and I'm just like, oh, but hey, watch this.
Yep. Well, right on, guys. So we're going to try and get this thing up and running and started today. So we'll keep you guys updated if we run into anything, just abnormally odd. Because we've seen a couple things on this we haven't quite seen before, and maybe talk about it a little bit more. So
yeah,
but
for sure. As we find out, we will let you know, because this is by far my first TC90 of any sort.
I didn't even know this bike existed.
That's kind of where I'm at, dude. I've seen this thing, 200, 300 bucks is what he was asking, and I couldn't do that. I mean, it looked a lot worse than this. This had a bath already. I took it to the power washer with some heavy degreaser.
Right.
But
$100 barn find. That's what you get.
It legitimately looked like it went through a mud hole and, well, got pulled back out and sat next to a shop and said, okay.
Yep.
So, yeah, she's at least getting a little bit cleaned up. You can see the color of it now. I mean, it all looked like this at one point, just nasty as a motherfucker.
Yeah.
There was at least an inch of, like, grease and just random built up shit. I'm like, that's so nasty.
Right. Jesus fuck.
But yeah, it is, like I said, it's a 2-stroke. Oil reservoirs here, perfectly intact. The gas can is actually, or the gas tank is over there on the ground right now. It has a little bit of rust in it, nothing major.
Yeah.
Just getting that cleaned up a little bit.
Yep, getting all the rust cleaned out of it. It looks pretty fucking good though. I do like the color.
Yeah, that is one thing. The color will not change. The chrome will not be painted. This thing
polished.
at best will get the orange and chrome taken off of it. The actual frame resprayed black, just for rust purposes. You know, get it cleaned up. And this is gonna get everything that's shiny is going to get a nice polish, and all the rust will be gone. And then, oh yeah, dude, the front fender, if you look at the very front of it on this side, you can see how actually shiny it is. I did that with a freaking paper towel.
Hell yeah. You guys probably can't even see. It's glaring so fucking much. That's just how shiny it is.
Yeah, the rest of this just looks grungy compared to that, and I spent 2 seconds wiping that with a freaking paper towel.
Right? Yeah.
So I'm going to take some steel wool and actual polish and go over it and make it real shiny.
Wiring's still, all the
It's
wiring's
all
still
intact.
here. That's
Yeah.
that's the major
The
part.
only thing, that's what I just checked actually, the only thing that's actually missing is the fuse.
Oh, right on. They just
Stuck
put
them
it together. Right on. Yeah. How safe is that?
Straight connection.
Right? All right. Well, we're going to get to wrenching some more on this, and hopefully we can get it running by the end of the day. Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
boys and girls, did you hear that?
Hell yeah. No shit. Holy shit.
Oh shit!
Oh, goddamn.
Oh fuck! That really just happened, didn't it?
Holy shit. I'm so glad I picked the camera up. Holy shit. Oh. Dude, so close.
We'll put this on. Come on. Give it to daddy.
Yes.
I've got it pegged down right now on the bottom.
Hell yeah.
Nasty gas.
Yeah, it is.
Oh shit, that stinks.
Yes, it does. But goddamn, though, it's running.
Yeah.
Hell
Yeah, it's
yes.
fine anyway.
Right? Yeah! Woo! Fuck. Woo! Hell, try it. Hurry up.
I ain't driving shit on no wheels.
I mean, even just to see if she moves. Oh, she moved.
Oh, dude. I got it.
You do?
This makes sense.
Yeah?
Yeah. So neutral, when you don't want to sit there and hold the clutch because you're pushing this big son of a bitch up a hill, right?
Right.
Put your gear in, clutch on, then start it.
Okay, I
Then
see.
You have your regular fucking gears.
Right on. That's
A
odd.
lot more sense. Sorry for you, like, older gentlemen that happen to come across this, because this is my first fucking one. This is surprising as all hell. Why did they get rid of all this good shit? No,
Right?
no, they had to give us all the new shit that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, no shit.
But yeah, dude, so there's the confirmation. She starts. She definitely tries to pull.
Hell yeah.
She takes off like a bat, though. That's cool.
I saw,
So,
dude.
I guess the next step is put the rest of the air filter back on.
Hopefully give her a buzz real quick.
Try and
Short.
get some air in the tires, actually, is what I was gonna say. And
Well, I'll
yeah,
work
then
on
maybe a
that.
buzz, dude.
Hell yeah, I'll work on getting the air in the tires if you get this air filter put back on.
Yeah.
Look at that shit, guys. We gotta fucking run. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's got get up.
Hell yeah. Sorry, neighbors. Hell yeah, guys. This is fucking awesome. Very rarely do we get a project running like this. Yeah, it does. Very rarely do we get a project just come to life like this. I mean, we've tried so many times, and here we fucking are. It's nuts. Yeah, it's a little wobbly with them flat fucking tires. But look at that though. How many of you guys thought he was gonna be driving this in this video? Because I sure as fuck didn't. Hell yeah, that's awesome, guys. I can't get over it. Ooh, second gear. At least I think that was second. Hell yeah. Smokes like a fucking train. Hell yeah.
Badass burnout you can do.
Yeah, that thing's so fucking mean for a 90.
Dude, this thing fucking feels nice for only having the first 2 gears that I went through and just cruising, dude. She's gonna
I know, dude. I was surprised you got into second. It went into neutral.
It went into second and kept going.
It went into neutral.
No, I clutched it.
Oh, I thought you went into neutral all the way.
Like, the clutch is fucking tight as can be. Like, it works fucking flawless, dude.
Hell yeah.
I could definitely say I need to retune it a little bit. Obviously, that's other than the extra oil, the heavy smoke,
Yeah.
because it needs to be retuned. But other than that, dude, she
Fucking mint.
fucking mint, bruh.
Hell yeah.
1972 Resto just got that much better.
Hell yeah. Fucking, we've drove a project finally.
Dude, I feel so fucking happy right now. Like, if you guys only knew, like,
Oh yeah. Oh, I know.
amazing, dude.
Hell yeah.
$100 barn find. Needed a little bit of carb work, hell of a lot of power washing, and some tires, dude. Like,
Yep.
And I reconnected the brake spring. That's it.
Oh, hell yeah. So we got brakes.
Dude, yeah,
That's
like,
always a
it's
concern.
not- I think the only issue is the front. Yeah, the front brakes need readjusted. They're awful sticky. They do move,
Yeah.
but they're a little hesitant and they're really stiff up here. But as far
Okay.
as you do have a foot brake that, operates just fine, whole 9 yards.
Right on.
It was literally just this one spring right here that I had to put on it.
Oh, yep.
That was it. It was
Yep.
disconnected. I'm like, yeah, we'll just put that back on here and brakes work fine. So
Hell
I'm like,
yeah.
All right, well, problem solved.
Right? Well, right on, guys. If you guys did enjoy today's video, leave a like and a comment. Let us know what you guys think. It's obviously running and driving, so
Next time you guys see it, hopefully it'll have a little bit better wheels, or
Yes.
if not that, it's at least going to be running, riding, and polished.
yep. Go ahead, subscribe if not already. Click the bell if you're already subscribed, which you should be. Go check out
All
your
day
merch. All links down in the description to everything that we have. You just go check them out. I'm not going to list them here. But anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Douches.
Deuces.